Just simply come onto this website, click on this button, then start sharing this link in all of these different communities. And that is it. Now you'll be making thousands of dollars all in passive income, all in autopilot. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get paid $120 per hour for doing simple tasks online. Guys, this is a completely new method and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. Now guys, before we move any further, a small disclaimer: please do not skip any step in this video, because if you do, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you properly. So without wasting any more time guys, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to warriorplus.com. Now guys, warriorplus.com is going to be the website that we're going to be using for this particular method. Now what is Warrior Plus? Now Warrior Plus is basically a website that is going to provide you with like basically affiliate links and top-notch products that you can use for your own business. Now they provide sales automation, because like guys, at the end of the day, time is the real money. So they provide all of the tasks necessary to quickly and easily sell and deliver products instantly to customers worldwide. They have thousands of affiliates and hundreds of thousands of affiliate products. Thirdly, they also give you top-notch products, meaning that they pay the most commission. Fourth is that they provide the most powerful tracking. Basically, once you sell your product, you will know exactly where your product is going every single time. So guys, like, all these features really make it stand out. And over here they even have some testimonials from some of their customers. Like, Warrior Plus is an amazing platform for both vendors and affiliates. It is easy to use, constantly evolving and adding new features, and has a great team behind it. Joining Warrior Plus was definitely one of the best decisions I made for my online business. So guys, like, these things are very impressive. After that, we even have some more features, like they are the most stable and established digital business community since 2006. Secondly, they are very powerful. Thirdly, they offer full support. Fourthly, they evolve. And fifth is that they offer the experience and the community as well. So guys, now when you're ready, simply click on create an account and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then simply put in all your username, password, email address over here. Now once you put in these things, after that simply create an account, and I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here on this dashboard, we can see these things in front of us. Basically, we have the product/vendor list in front of us. Now on the right side, you can access a wide list of categories like the marketplace, the product alerts, the vendors, the affiliates, and the best deals of the day. So what I want you to do is click on marketplace, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and the marketplace is gonna load up. Now once this marketplace loads up, over here in front of you, now you have some products that you can like basically sell as an affiliate. Now scrolling down even further, we even have some more offers available as well. So like, let's say if I were to open up any one of these offers, like this one, if I were to open up this one, I can simply see over here that this takes us over to this offer. Now guys, this offer in itself looks very amazing. Now guys, backing up, and now if you were to like, pick any other product, or basically from the marketplace button, click on top products. So once you click on top products, after that simply pick a product from this list. So like, for example, pick this product. Now if you were to pick this product, we will be able to see this product as well over here in this tab. So like guys, all these things are very important, because these pages are looking really nice, and anybody would pay top dollar to basically like become an affiliate for these particular offers. So when you're ready, simply click on affiliate and then click on offers. Wait for a couple of seconds and your affiliate offers are gonna load up. Now guys, these were the top sellers. Now you have to find those top sellers, or basically any other product from this list over here. So over here on this list, on the right side, we have the average sale, And then scrolling down, we even have some more things as well. Now over here we can see on the left side the name of the product, and then on the right side we can see the commission and also the conversion rate. Now guys, the conversion rate should be as high as possible. And then like further, we have the existing debt, credit, money, and savings PLR deals as well. So like all these deals look very impressive. Now guys, this was the top selling product, Zen Profit. So I'm gonna click on this product, and then after that, after a couple of seconds, I will see this in front of me. So from over here, what you need to do is simply click on request approval. Now over here in the request approval section, type in, "Hi, I will provide you with a lot of traffic in return for being an affiliate." Now what this is gonna do is that is gonna like convince them that like, hey, you can actually like provide them with some affiliate offers. So simply click on a request offer, and then you can plan to hear back from them within the same day. So like when they'll reply, you will get your affiliate link. Now once you have your affiliate link, you can move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to sites.google.com. Now guys, once you come out of sites.google.com, over here click on blank. Now after clicking on blank, simply wait for a couple of seconds, and then simply from over here click on the page title and type in over here affiliate product or something catchy, the best product. Now once you type this over here, everybody who is gonna like click on this particular website is gonna be curious to know what is the best product, what is it that we are selling. Now once we've done this, after that simply like click on text. Now you have a text box over here, come back, and then simply over here type, and then from over here simply paste that name. Now similarly, you can even put like a more description, more details of the product by clicking on this text box and then adding a text box. But for now, simply put in your affiliate link over here, or basically put in the link to a YouTube video that you think is valuable. So like anything can do. So when you have this, simply like put in some pictures of this particular product by simply going on the affiliate link that they provide you with, and then simply taking screenshots and then uploading them by simply clicking on images and then clicking on select. So like you can even select images from the catalog of Google themselves, or you can like select images by URL or by basically your own computer too. So guys, like those are all the things that matter, and honestly that is gonna make a big difference. So when you have this done, now what I want you to do is simply click on publish. Once you click on publish, type in over here make money online warrior plus. Now once you type in this, click on publish. Now your site has been published successfully. Simply copy this link and then move on to step number 4. Step number 4. So in step number 4, I want you to come on to google.com. Now guys, once you come on to google.com, type in make money online forums. So once you type in this, after that hit enter. Then open up the first forum, open up the second forum, and then open up also the third forum. Now once you open up these forums, you will essentially see a lot of threads, a lot of communities where people are actually looking to make money online and they don't know how to make money online. Now what you can do is that you can essentially provide them this way of making money online by them helping you make money online as well. So over here we have all these different forums. So like only aim for the forums that are specifically saying make money online. So for example, let's say if this is the forum, you are gonna send a post out to this forum saying that, hey, if you want to work as an affiliate with the top products, simply click on this particular link and buy this product, and then you will be making money in no time for absolutely free. So like when they'll click on your sites.google.link, they will simply come on to your website, and then like once they come on to your website, you can like put your affiliate link over here, and then after that simply put this video over here as an embed. So like simply paste the URL of this video that you are watching right now over here. That is going to provide them with value, and then once they see value, they will definitely click on your link because they will trust you then, and that is when you are going to be making money. Now similarly, we have this forum as well, and over here people are also like wanting to make money online, searching for different ways to make money online. So all in all, this method works around the globe, and all that you need to do is simply write a convincing paragraph telling them that like, hey, if you want to make money, join this website or watch this video, and then after that you will for sure know how this all works, and you will have a passive income stream running. So you tell them these things, they will definitely click on your link. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this is basically the method. I hope I covered everything. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys still face any confusions, any problems whatsoever. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.